Step into a world where every leaf, every petal, and every blade of grass holds a secret waiting to be discovered. The beauty of the natural world lies in the details, those intricate masterpieces that captivate our senses and awaken our souls. In the gentle sway of a flower's delicate petals, we find a symphony of colors, each hue blending seamlessly with the next. The vibrant reds, the soothing blues, and the golden yellows dance in perfect harmony, painting a picture of pure enchantment. It is in these details that we witness nature's artistry, a masterpiece crafted with meticulous precision. Look closer, and you'll discover the hidden wonders that nature bestows upon us. The intricate patterns adorning a butterfly's wings, a mesmerizing kaleidoscope of shapes and shades, are a testament to the boundless creativity of the universe. Each tiny stroke, each delicate line, tells a story of resilience and transformation, reminding us that even the smallest beings can leave an indelible mark. The natural world whispers its secrets to those who truly observe. Listen to the gentle rustling of leaves as they sway in the breeze, a soothing melody that carries the wisdom of centuries. Feel the cool touch of a raindrop on your skin, a gentle reminder of the earth's nurturing embrace. In these moments, we are reminded of our connection to something greater, something infinitely beautiful. It is in the details that we find solace, inspiration, and a profound sense of wonder. The intricate web spun by a spider, glistening with morning dew, reminds us of the delicate balance that exists in nature. The symphony of birdsong that greets us at dawn sings of resilience and the enduring spirit of life. These details, seemingly small and insignificant, hold within them the power to ignite our imagination and awaken our spirits.